Hello and welcome to Arunz Creation. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about how to work with the frequency separation. So frequency separation is a technique that is used to smooth your image that contains the information regarding skin texture, as well as we can smooth the skin by not losing the fine detail of the image. By using this technique, you are able to separate the texture of the image from the tone and the color on the two separate layers. One is high frequency that contains the fine details such as skins, pore, hair, fine lines. And if we separate the layer on the low frequency, that contains tone and the color of the image. If we zoom this image, you can see this is my high frequency that contains only the fine details such as pores, sharpness and all that. As you can see on the low frequency, there is no texture, but we are able to maintain the tone and the color of the image. So I have this image, so I will teach you how to separate these two frequencies by frequency separation method. So firstly, I have this image, and press Ctrl J on the keyboard. I will create two copies of this same layer, rename it high frequency and rename this low frequency. So inactive this layer high and select this low frequency. So go to filter, then go to blur, and I want to blur this so that I can get the tone and the color and the image. If we zoom it, now you can see this is my original image. I have applied a Gaussian blur on the image. We have this color and the tone only. So now next time select this high frequency. Now go to image, then apply image, then this is my layer segment. In layer segment you have to choose low frequency, and blending mode you have to choose subtract, so that we can subtract the detail from the original image. And scale I want to use 2, offset 128, click on OK. Now you can see if I zoom it, these are the skin details like pores, texture. So I have to set its blending mode to linear light. So you can select these two layers and put into another group. So if we inactive this group, now you can see the original image. Now using that technique we are able to the same image, but we have the two frequencies, one is low and one is high. So we will use mixer brush for this low frequency layer. So if you want to join my classes, you can call me directly. My number is given there as well as in the description of this video. In this course we teach photography, Photoshop, Lightroom, lighting, and main core part is manipulations, advanced lighting, outdoor, how to do this pre-wedding shoot, and we teach Lightroom, in which color correction, color grading, background change and all that, so many stuff we teach. So call me if you want to join me, and thank you friends.